is busy calling to the world. Hello, beautiful boy. Peace to you. It is a commitment, isn't it? It is a commitment. There were at least 2 ladies here before, and he chased both of them away. Probably still trying to get his nest sorted. See, here's the yellow-fronted canary. One of the more common of the birds that we find. The canaries that we find out here. It's got the very yellow stripe above the head, above the eye. The crown is grey, and there's the yellow behind or below the beak, and then underneath the chin.